Today I'll make a chair. This is the simple chair. Okay, let's start. Now go to front plane and sketch. Choose a ellipse, sketch ellipse from this to this and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension. Make it from this point to this. Make it 350. Click enter. And again choose this point to this point. Make it 70 millimeter, 700 and click enter. Now again just select and go to this and sketch from this line to from this and select OK. Now click this line and just drag it, this line, and just drag it, and just again this drag it, just little this, move it and drag. Yeah, yes, okay, just and click OK. Now just click this line and click offset entity and click make it 20 millimeters and select OK. Just go to this line and connect this line to this and select OK. Just connect it, this line to this line, select OK. Again connect this line to and this line and select OK. Yeah, just click exit. Okay, just go to surface and click sweep surface and choose circular profile and click this profile and click OK. Just make it 30 millimeter and just click OK. Now see, just click this and go to appearance and click this sweep brush and make it this color. Yeah, and click OK. Yeah, now see, now just click this and click show and just select OK and just go to feature and click extrude boss and just go to here and click this sketch and select this and this. Now see, make it 350 and merge result and select OK. Now see, just go to plane, click plane and select this point and second reference is front plane. Just see and click OK. Now go to mirror and click this feature to mirror. This is our feature. Just click feature. This is our body mirror. Just click this feature. Sorry, cancel it. Just feature to mirror. This is our feature. Yeah, just OK. Just click here. This is our feature to mirror and click OK. Now see, our this both side circle is ready as a leg. Just click this and hide this plane. Yeah. Okay, just click this page and sketch. Now sketch a line from this line to this, and this line to this, and this line to this line, and this line to this line, and select OK. Now assign the dimension from this point to this point, make it 20 millimeters. Click enter, and make it this line to this line, make it 2 millimeters. Click enter, and make it 2 millimeters, 2 millimeter. Click enter. Yes. Now go to add relation and click this line and this line, click equal and click OK. Now see, our sketch is fully defined. Just right click and select OK and click exit. Now go to extrude cut and just click this and click this up to surface, and just click this surface. Yeah. Now click OK. Now see, our extrude card is OK. Now go to this linear pattern and click curve driven pattern and choose this. Distance will be this line, and just go to feature and face. This is our feature face. Now see, our face is visual, so just go to this and instances to skip, click this and just it, click this because we don't know this. Okay, just now click OK. Now see, our chair is fully ready. Yeah, thank you. Just click this and hide and just see, this is the simple chair. Okay, thank you for watching.